Hey, Eco Clean Queen here. Today I'm going to be preparing a room for a guest coming in today. I haven't deep cleaned this room yet, so I'm going to do more of a thorough job than you would typically clean a room on a daily basis. So let's get into it. Here's the bedroom. There isn't much furniture, so not too much dusting, but I will start from the top. So any ceiling fans or light fixtures, and then I'll make my way to the windows and clean the blinds and then lift them up and then clean the windows and the window seals. Then I will strip the bed and make the bed and leave a fresh towel, and then I'll clean the baseboards that goes around the room. And then I will vacuum my way out. The first thing I do is check up. So I'll check all of the corners for cobwebs, and then I'll also check the light fixture to make sure there's no bugs or spider webs in there. So I'll get onto a step ladder and start cleaning that. I am spraying all-purpose cleaner on a rag. Now what I'm going to show you is how to clean the blinds. So grab your rag and you spray it generously with all-purpose cleaner, and then you're going to make a puppet with your hands right behind the rag, and make sure you have a claw just like you were to make an alligator. And with that claw you're going to clean each blind strip. Clean in sections so you don't miss a spot. So you can start from the left and then work your way down, and then go from left to right or right to left. And when you make your way down, go ahead and close all of the blinds, and then take a dry clean rag and just clear all of the lint that might have been left behind. Then lift the blinds up and then clean the window behind the blinds. Use hydrogen peroxide, a new clean rag, and start from the top and work your way down. Use the dry side of the rag to clear all of the dampness, and then use another clean dry side to buff dry the window. Okay, now that I'm done with the top of the room, I got the cobwebs in the corners, I got the light fixtures, I got the blinds and the windows, and now I'm going to strip the bed of the sheets and the comforters and put them in the wash. With the clean sheets, I'll go ahead and put them on the bed, make the bed, and then leave a fresh clean towel on the bed. Now this floor is carpet, so I'll be using this vacuum cleaner with this vacuum floor piece. And I'll start from the back of the room and work my way out. Also, to clean the corners, you can use this swivel tool. So basically you just put it on your vacuum and you can clean the top or clean on the sides. To wipe the baseboards down, I'll actually use the rubber mop with a damp rag and just go along the baseboards to wipe them down. So here I am taking out the cord from my vacuum to plug it in. To vacuum, start from the back of the room and work your way out. You can also push things and then lift things to clean and do a more thorough vacuuming job. Vacuum from left to right or right to left in a linear direction and move your way back. Try your best to vacuum in a linear direction so that it looks well designed on the floor. So you can either create straight lines, you can also change up the design and make a star. Just make sure that you're covering the entire carpet and it looks neat on the floor. All right, so that's what I would do to prepare for a guest coming over. Check out my social media handles. I'm on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You can subscribe to my channel if you like cleaning videos like these. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you can be notified of the very next one. Thanks again for watching and happy cleaning.